Shubhodayam everybody. Today we have the very important practice of the yoga techniques for the COVID. As the world is facing the problem of the COVID, we the yoga masters are in front of you to give the important practice for the COVID. Here we have the main techniques of the yoga. First we will start with the Surya Namaskaras. Second we will have the Viparita Karni Mudra. Third, we will have the Jalaneti. Jalaneti is the most important practice which can kill the bacteria, virus which can enter from your nostrils. And this Jalaneti practice is the most important technique for the sinusitis, migraine headache, asthma, bronchitis, tuberculosis, and etc. Practice this at least weekly twice to kill the coronavirus. Practice every day. Nasti yogam param balam. There is no higher strength than the yoga. So practice it. Make yourself strong and courageous. Stay home. Stay happy. Stay safe. Thank you all of you. Namaste. First we will start with the Vaidika Surya Namaskaras, 9 vinyasas. Get ready now. You have to stand straight. Inhalation, raise the hands upwards. Raise your head upwards also. With exhalation, slowly bend forward. Either you can hold your calf muscles or you can keep the palms side of your feet. Take the head to the kneecaps. With inhalation, stretch your head forward. And with exhalation, slowly take the two legs backside. Balance your body on the palms and toes. Inhalation, stretch your body upwards. Exhale. Here you have to stay at least 5 seconds, or you can take 5 breathings here. Inhale, come front. Stretch your spine forward. Exhalation. Inhalation. Exhalation. These Surya Namaskaras practice at least 5 times. Surya Namaskaras are very good for the complete health. It increases your immune power and makes yourself so strong. Practice at least 5 times of Surya Namaskaras. Either 9 vinyasas or 12 vinyasas or 17 vinyasas. Practice it every day. Next, you have Viparita Karni Mudra. It is the most important mudra in the Hatha Yoga Pradipika. It increases the lung capacity and it is called the Sarvaroga Nivarini. So practice it. You can see the benefits. It will work more on your brain cells, lungs and heart. Makes your heart so relaxable. So practice it. Now we have the practice of Viparita Karni Mudra. Slowly you have to sit down there. Then lie down. Body should be in a straight line. Slowly you can fold the 2 legs on your abdomen. With the support of your palms, lift your body up. Make your body further. And leg should be totally 90 degrees. It is not Sarvangasana, it is Viparita Karni Mudra. Slowly close your eyes. Stay here with the normal breathings. Stay at least 10 seconds. Gradually increase the timing here. And slowly take your hip joints downwards. Hands down. and slowly fold the kneecaps, stretch the two legs. Relax here and practice the same technique 2 more times. And in asana sthiti you can stay only 10 seconds is enough. It is the most important technique in Hatha Yoga Pradipika. Sarvaroga Nivarini increases the lung capacity, oxygen levels to the lungs and heart region. After practicing Viparita Karni Mudra, you can practice Sarala Matsyasana. Just join the feet together, palm should be here. The support of 2 palms, lift your body upwards, keep the crown of the head on the floor, palm should be on your abdomen. And again, slowly take your, with exhalation, body downwards. Relax. Matsyasana increases the lung capacity, expand of your chest region. Slowly turn right side. Next we have the most important practice, Jalaneti. Here we use lukewarm water, either hot water or lukewarm water, and little bit of salt. Why you want to use the salt? Salt has the power to kill virus or bacteria. People who has high BP stop to use the salt. Better they can take only hot water. And this practice is the most important technique now, especially in the COVID time, which can kill the virus and bacteria which enters from your nose to the lungs. And not only for the COVID, the people who are suffering with the stress, anxieties, again I am saying stress is the most important factor. Next, for the cold, headaches, sinusitis, asthma, bronchitis, tuberculosis, the problems of the whole respiratory disorders. Now we have the practice of Jalaneti, and while doing here we are going to explain step by step practice like that only. Under the guidance of the yoga masters, these parts you will get in surgical shops,